Hello and welcome to Nikolai's genetics lessons, and today's problem is pointing at photograph. Julia says, he is the son of the only son of my grandfather. How is the man in the photograph related to Julia? So let's take a look. Again, today we are going to have not a single variant, but multiple variants are possible. So here is the first variant. So this is going to be a Julia, and Julia pointing at this person. And now let's check what she is saying. He is the son of the only son. He is the son of the only son of my grandfather. So in this case, this person would be her brother. But this is not the only one variant possible. Let's take at the other variants. So again, here is a family, and this time this family has a son, a daughter, and the son is married and has a son, and daughter is also married, and she has a daughter. So now is Julia, and here is the person whom she is pointing at. So let's now check again what she is saying. He is the son of the only son of my grandfather. And let's check. He is a Julia, and this person is her grandfather. And this person also grandfather of this person. But as you see, this time this guy, this boy, or it can be adult person, would be a cousin of Julia. So now let's analyze which answer to choose. Again, he is the son of the only son. It seems like this couple should have only one child who is going to be the only son in a family. But only son in a family doesn't mean that this family may not have, for example, another child who is going to be a girl. This basically excludes that the other child is a male person when we're saying that the only son of the only son, so of the only son. Sometimes only son even doesn't mean that this person is the only son. Consider such expression, for example, he is the only son in that family who went to college. Does it mean that that family has only one son? No. He is the only son actually means that there are more than one son. Two or maybe three, and more likely three, because if there are two males, two sons in a family, we wouldn't say he is the only son. Probably we would say if there are three and more sons, we would say he is the only son who went to the college. So you should understand that the only son, is not the same as the only child. So if we would have here that he is the son of the only child, that means that we talking about relationship between relatives that is shown in this pedigree. But of the only son doesn't exclude that there is a possibility that this family also have a daughter. So as you see, two variants possible. It can be a brother, it can be a cousin, and That means that we have to choose answer D. The data is inadequate and we cannot choose the answer. But this is not the end of the story. Imagine that, for example, we wouldn't have this variant as an answer, and for example, we wouldn't have variant of the answer as cousin, but maybe would have some other answer here. So what should we do in this case? In this case, then we should choose a brother, because this is going to be the only variant that explains relationship, and no any other variants would be given. Again, if we have such variant as data is inadequate, if two of the answers can be chosen here, then we have to choose this answer. And this is all for today. Thank you for your attention. Please subscribe for my new videos that I post almost every day. Thumbs up if you like this video. Please write a comments, questions if you have any. Share this video with your classmates, and see you in the next video. Goodbye.